Hi, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a nighttime skincare routine. I'm currently using so I don't have a mirror, so I'm going to use the viewfinder as my guide. Before I do my skincare routine, I've been touching doorknobs and setting up the camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wash my hands really quick. Right now my skin is super dry because I just washed it. This is the cleanser that I use. It's the PACIFICA Kale Detox Deep Cleaning Face Wash. Removes makeup and cleanse and tone. I love washing my face with this product because I just feel like it definitely works. It's cruelty free and it's super clean, and it packs in with a lot of antioxidants, and it's for oily and blemish prone skin. So yeah, and it's sulfate free. My skin loves this product. So I'm going to start with a toner. The toner I'm using is MER. I'm almost done with this. Like, I literally feel like I have just a few more uses and I'm done. I just add like a few drops of that. My skin is really dry and it definitely needs it. Oh, that definitely hit the spot. Relief and Resilience Treatment Lotion. I love this stuff. It just keeps my skin nice, and it relieves any sort of redness I may get from it being extremely dry. This helps. Ordinary. This is exactly what my skin definitely needs. Niacin-amide Serum by Good Molecules. By ORGINS. This is the truth. Then I go in with, I'm going to apply that onto my eyes. And this helps with protecting my barrier and also repairing my skin barrier. I don't know if you can see, but I have a lot of hyperpigmentations, and this is definitely helping me for sure. And then I'm using the Discoloration Correcting Serum by Good Molecules because, as you can see, I have these and these I want to get rid of. Then I apply Retinol Serum to help reduce any visible signs of aging. Retinol eye cream. My eyes right now kind of has like these fine lines and I want to get rid of them. I'm working on being consistent with my Retin-A. My skin is super dry right now. So I got this face oil from Trader Joe's. It's this oil right here. Marula face oil. And it's super thick, like it's like a cold press virgin marula seed oil. And it just gives my skin just a nice glow, which I love. I'm gonna just spray some perfume before I go to bed, and the perfume I'm wearing is the Kale Cosmetics Perfume Cosmic. It just smells so good, so sweet, and just, I'm gonna rub it in. That smells really good. Okay, so that was my skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the morning. Good night.